10 secret words to make him fall head over heels for you. Is there a guy you have a real crush on? Do you have a sweet boyfriend but find it difficult to express your feelings to him? What if you need to rekindle the passion you once shared with your husband despite the fact that you are already married? Every woman in the world wants to know one thing, and that is, of course, the magic recipe for winning over any man's heart. It truly exists. I'm going to reveal to you some magic words that will win his heart. In fact, you'll be able to make any man fall madly in love with you with these magic words. You'll give your man the impression that he's in the clouds. And as soon as you discover this recipe, your love life will just blossom, making you happy than ever. So, be prepared to be blown away. Let's get started. 1. My knees go weak every time we look at one another. Every relationship expert agrees that body language plays a significant role in assessing a couple's attractiveness. People's body language always shows whether they like one another or not, regardless of how hard they attempt to disguise their emotions. Your partner will only know that you love him more and more when you say this, and this charming phrase will win him over too. 2. I feel so safe and joyful when you put your arms around me. This is a lovely message that will make him happy. Men enjoy feeling needed and as though they are protecting you, so by telling him this, you are reminding him that you feel secure with him. 3. I want you right here, right now, always and forever. Your partner will undoubtedly get obsessed with you as a result of this. It may be viewed in two ways. You desire him sexually, and you want him to be your partner for the rest of your life. Both are fine, and I have no doubt that he will approve of both interpretations. 4. You fill a hole in me that I didn't even know I had. He needs to know that you found your soulmate in him, your partner in life, the individual who constantly extols your virtues. You have spent your entire life seeking this man. He is that person, and now that you've discovered him, you couldn't be happier. 5. There is no way I could find a better man than you. He should know why you fell in love with him. He will most likely find this to be the most compelling justification. 6. Every single thing about you makes me happy. And that's the way it ought to be. If you truly love someone, you embrace and cherish every aspect of that person. You adore them for both their great traits and their weaknesses. Both on good days and bad days, you remain by their side. Despite all the challenges you face every day, you continue to be with them and love them. 7. You are one in a million. This will demonstrate to your partner just how precious he is to you. You picked him out of a sea of fish and would keep picking him. There is no guy who could ever replace him in your life, regardless of how much better, wiser, or more attractive other men may be. Your partner will fall madly in love with you after hearing all of this. 8. You're the reason my lips hurt from smiling so much. This is perhaps the greatest thing you've ever heard. Your man will definitely fall for this, I guarantee it. In other words, he is the cause of your happiness, which will make him extremely delighted. 9. I like the thought of waking up each day next to you. This indicates that you are considering living your entire life with him. You're making it very plain to him that you want to spend the rest of your days with him and have a future with him. If this isn't enough to make someone fall in love with you, I don't know what is. 10. I always look for you first when I come into a room full of people. What does this say to your man? It'll tell him that no matter who you're with or how many people are around you, you're constantly thinking about him and hoping he'll be there with you. This will convey to him that he is the most important person in your life and that this will remain constant. You now have the most romantically seductive words to win his heart. You may swoon over any man you desire with the help of these amazing text messages. It's crucial to keep in mind that knowing the right things to say at the right time is the most crucial aspect of enticing guys. Now that you have the right words, all you need to do is make sure you'll use them at the right time. Well, hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.